Nowadays, Bangkok becomes the capital where large scales of urbanization has occurred, particularly in terms of population and communities. The increasing number of population and communities has caused environmental problems, especially natural water resources. Several rivers and canals have been polluted since they become the disposal of wastewater released from households, residences, commercial institutions, and factories for greater than 2.5 million cubic meters a day. Therefore, the water from these natural resources cannot be used for consumption. The Department of Drainage and Sewerage Bangkok Metropolitan Administration, or BMA, has realized problems occurred to the natural water resources and water pollution, and has implemented the Rivers and Canals Water Improvement Rehabilitation Project. It aims at water quality recovery in those natural water resources while implementing wastewater reduction measurement. A number of measures have been launched, including the construction of wastewater treatment plants, law enforcement, water quality investigating and monitoring, and public relation measures in order to encourage cooperation and participation among water consumers to solve water pollution problems. Since 1968, the Department of Drainage and Sewerage Bangkok Metropolitan Administration has initiated water quality improvement projects, both short-term and long-term. The short-term project is the construction of small-scale wastewater treatment system, such as the Makasan Lake Water Wastewater Treatment Project, the Rama 9 Lake Wastewater Treatment Project, and the Onut Wastewater Treatment Plant. The projects included the transference of 12 community wastewater treatment plants of the National Housing Authority to be operated by the BMA. The long-term project, meanwhile, focuses on the construction of large-scale wastewater treatment plants to serve residents in local communities. The wastewater thus will be delivered through the plant for treatment prior to be discharged into canals and the Chao Phraya River. Currently, the construction of 7 central wastewater treatment plants are completed and ready to process water treatment. The 7 plants are Chao Phraya Water Environment Control Plant, covers some parts of Bomprap Satrupai, Sampantawong, and Bang Rak districts. The plant capacity is 30,000 cubic meters a day. The Ratanakosin Water Environment Control Plant covers some parts of Pranakon district and has capacity of 40,000 cubic meters a day. Chongnonsi Water Environment Control Plant is responsible for Yanawa, Sathorn, Bangkok, and some parts of Bang Rak districts. The capacity of the plant is 200,000 cubic meters a day. The Nong Kham Water Environment Control Plant covers some parts of Nong Kham, Pasi Jareun, and Bang Khat districts. The plant's capacity is 157,000 cubic meters a day. The Tung Kru Water Environment Control Plant covers some parts of Tung Kru, Ratchaburana, and Jom Tong districts. Its maximum capacity reaches 65,000 cubic meters a day. Dindang Water Environment Control Plant covers Bomprap Satrupai, Sampantawong, Patumwan, Ratchathewi districts, and some parts of Pranakon, Dusit, Payathai, and Dindang districts. The plant's capacity is 350,000 cubic meters a day. Chatuchak Water Environment Control Plant covers some parts of Dusit, Payathai, Hoi Kwang, and Chatuchak districts. The plant's capacity is 150,000 cubic meters a day. After combining treatment capability of the above 7 central wastewater treatment plants, the overall capacity of the 7 plants reaches 992,000 cubic meters a day. According to the 6th Bangkok Metropolitan Development Plan from 2002 to 2006, 3 additional central wastewater treatment plants will be developed. They are Klong Tei Wastewater Treatment Project, Thonburi Wastewater Treatment Project, and Bang Su Wastewater Treatment Project. The project of those new plants, however, needs a great deal of capital investment, including maintenance budget for operating the plant. Therefore, the Department of Drainage and Sewerage has to implement other measures to operate wastewater management. They are legislation measures. BMA is responsible for investigation, monitoring, controlling, and following up wastewater quality improvement released from private buildings, factories, including other annoying places, according to the acts. A number of related water quality control laws are applied to support BMA operation. For example, Building Control Act Buddhist Era 2522, Factory Act Buddhist Era 2535, Maintenance of Public Sanitary and Order Act Buddhist Era 2535, Public Health Act Buddhist Era 2535, and the National Environment Promotion and Protection Act Buddhist Era 2535. Water quality investigation and monitoring system measures. Sample of water from canals and the Chao Phraya River is regularly collected from 144 point stations throughout Bangkok to investigate on monthly basis. Moreover, BMA has developed 6 water quality monitoring auto stations to investigate quality of water resources around Bangkok. The information from the monitoring program becomes the useful database for water resources management and development, including problem warning of the water pollution. Public relations measures. Knowledge and information are distributed to all people in order to create public knowledge and awareness of the water pollution impact that will lead to cooperation and participation between government sectors, private sectors, and members of the communities. However, it is impossible for BMA alone to achieve all target schemes of the wastewater management. Instead, it requires collaboration between government sectors and private sectors, including members of the communities, to take responsibility together for tackling the water pollution problem out of the city of Bangkok.